Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn MySQL ranking function. Here you can see there are three ranking function. First is the dense rank, second rank and third is the percent rank. MySQL uses a ranking function that allows us to rank each row of a partition in the databases. The ranking functions are also a subpart of window function in MySQL. These functions in a MySQL can be used with the following clauses. These are clause. It uses with the over. They assign a rank to each row based on order by. They assign a rank to each row in the sequential order, as well as they always assign a rank to rows starting with 1 for each new partition. First, we will move to the MySQL dense rank. It is a function that assigns a rank for every row within a partition or result set without any gaps. The rank of rows is always assigned in consecutive order. Sometimes you will get a tie between the values. Then the dense rank will assign it with the same rank and its next rank will be its next consecutive number. Here you can see the syntax of the MySQL dense rank. Select column name dense rank over partition by expression, order by expression. If you want data in ascending or descending order, you can mention that as my rank from table name. We will directly see how it works with the database. Open your MySQL command line client. Here you can see I have used employee table. In that table I have already inserted record. For that you can create employee table or any other table and insert into record in that table. Here you can see record which I have already inserted. Select star from employee. Here you can see I perform the query on employee table by using dense rank function. By using select command, select here you can mention the column list or field name. Here I mention all column list. Select star from table name, comma, by using dense rank function. Dense underscore rank over over. Here give the space dense rank over in bracket specified the column name, on which column you have to specify the order or sorted in ascending or descending order. Order by, here I use employee age. I want record in ascending order by employee age. Dense underscore rank. Here you can use any variable, you can use any name or you can give any name. It's for us from employee. Here you can see when we perform this query, we got this output. We use query select star, that means select all records, comma dense record over order by employee age, that means I want all record in ascending order on employee age. Dense underscore rank from employee. Here you can see, here I give dense rank by using, here you can see last column in dense rank, here employee age. This is first rank always. Here you can see again there is a 19 age, that's why again dense rank set 1, then 21 age it's set rank 2, for 22 it said 3 and 24 4. If there is a another record, and in that record if there is a employee age is again 24, that time we will get dense rank as again 4. We again use partition. Here you can see partition by give here any column name. Here I give city. Here you can see what output we got. By using city, it's specified the dense rank. Here you can see first city is the Nagpur. Here rank is the 1. Again city is the same, that's why again it will change the rank. Again that means we can say that if there is a same city, it just increment its count, and if there is a distinct city, that time it set count or it set the dense rank as 1. Okay, now we will move to the next point, which is MySQL rank function. It is same like the dense rank function, but in dense rank we use dense underscore rank, and in rank function we only use rank. Here you can see select column name. Here again I use all column list, select star comma rank over again in bracket give order by specify the column name. Here I have give employee age my rank. If output will return, it returns or it will give rank as a my rank from table name. Here you can see rank function, it returns output as a my rank column. All employee age sorted by ascending order. Here you can see, and by using employee age it returns the my rank. Here you can see first employee age is the 19, it returns rank as a 1. Second is also 19, that time it will return 1. Again here you can see there is a third employee age is the 21, that time it returns 3. Again 22, that time it returns 4. Again here 24 it returns 5. Here you can see first is for first two records it returns 1 1. That means we have to find by using MySQL rank for specified row. Rank function calculate rank by using the formula rank minus 1 divided by total rows minus 1. That's why it returns like this rank. For example, here you can see for third record our rank is the 1. Rank minus 1 divided by total rows minus 1. That means here first rank is the 1. Again employee age is same, that's why it returns 1. But in my rank in another in dense rank function it returns 2, but here it returns if employee age is the same, that time it returns the same rank. In rank function if we use partition by, it returns the output same like the dense function. Now we will move to the last point or last function, MySQL percent underscore rank function. It is a function that calculates the percentile rank or we can say relative rank for rows within a partition or result set. This function returns a number from a range of values between 0 and 1. And for that, syntax is select column name percent underscore rank over partition by expression, order by expression in ascending or descending order as my underscore rank from table name. We will directly perform the query by using select command. Select here, give column list percent rank percent underscore rank over percent underscore rank is a function, that's why here we give the brackets over, in bracket specify the condition, that means order by here give the column name. Here I specified the employee age. Here you can see my underscore rank from employee. Here you can see the output of percent rank. It returns output in between 0 and 1. Here you can see my rank column. Thank you guys.